ng tape na aming pinag-uusapan ni Claudine.
Say hi.
Hi. Next is recording.
Yep.
What does it say?
Record. Rec.
Really?
Yeah.
Hi. This is the first broadcast.
May tapping from my neck.
This is the first broadcast of
The video cam I got from Nico for Christmas.
Which
I really like.
which I made even for her for Christmas.
Thank you so much.
Yes, and it'll replace her Mega's video cam.
Which he has one which is bigger.
Bigger, yeah. and this current video cam of hers is about as big as a pack of cigarettes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And then zoom into your technomarine. I zoom out for it.
So this,
Ah! Yeah, I can see the diamond.
what I'm wearing right now is a Technomarine,
Yeah, I can see the diamonds plenty.
which is a gift to me from Claudine. Saying she saved money for us.
Nagugulan ako sa...
Yeah.
Here we go.
It's probably the best, the nicest watch I've ever seen in my entire life. And it makes this watch is like my Bulgari. It's extra special because the one holding the camera gave it to me. And yeah, it's something I never dreamed of having, but hey, I have it. It's nice.
I'm glad you like it.
I love it, yeah.